This is the best pattern for new traders. Hey traders, a very warm welcome to you. So, new traders, this is by far, in my opinion, the best trading pattern. In fact, even if you're not a new trader, this is still my favorite pattern after a decade, 15 years plus of trading. I love this. I look for it all the time. It works on all time frames. It works in almost all markets. It's very easy to look for. It's very easy to set your stops for, and it's got a high probability of success. It's the one thing that you should master, I think, if you're a new trader. If you're just starting out and you've got a sea of strategies, a sea of setups, an absolute ocean of different things hitting you left, right and center, clear that all out and focus on this one thing. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the flag pattern. If you are a subscriber, and thank you very much if you are, you will know that I love the flag pattern. I talk about it an awful lot. I've probably done a fair few videos that have contained the flag or referenced the flag at some point. It's because it just continues to deliver. It continues to be a very high probability trade, a very good risk reward trade, and just generally an all-round jolly good thing to have in your trading arsenal, to be very British about it. Okay, so how is a flag? A flag is a pole, and then we have got a tight flag there. So basically got a flag pole, and then we've got a flag there. I've done another video where I've actually drawn it out on the whiteboard, so if you want to kind of see nice pretty drawings or not so pretty, go and check that out. This I've come to the screen for this one because I want to show you some real life examples on both an intraday chart and a swing chart. So like I say, very useful for swing trading, very useful for day trading. Okay, flags, how do we trade them? Example here I've got, in fact, you know what, let's go for 15-minute on the DAX. I'm going to show a couple of examples because they're just so good, and I want to show you some that don't work as well so you can see how easy it is to quantify your risk, which is one of the big things for being a trader. The idea of the flag is, listen, we've got a drive in one direction. The bigger drive, the better. Push up, pause, and then you get a little congestion at the highs in the shape of almost a flag. That's why it's called a flag. So you get like a flag on the end of a pole, and this would be your flag here. Let me zoom in slightly here. So that's what it would look like if you're on the right end of the screen. You'll drive up and you're just sitting and consolidating for having a 15-minute chart here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 4 candlesticks. Really, the idea is you're buying on a break above the flag. It's a bullish trade. If you're in an uptrend, and this is called a bull flag, you're buying above, your stop goes below the low. Very simple kind of trade. In this example, you know what, you didn't get a massive amount of mileage out of it, but it doesn't matter. The point is, I want to show you every single type of flag out there. Here's another one that you, in fact, several in a row, and often you get this as well, traders. You get a drive, a flag. This is a bit more of a pennant, but it's the same kind of thing. You get a drive, a flag, because a flag is a pause. So you're long on a break above the high of the flag, and your stop is below the low. I'm not going to go into any more detail about how to refine it and adjust it. This is just a really good type of pattern. Again, drive up, pause, and look, what have we got? A descending flag here, which is, for all intents and purposes, the same thing for this video. And all you're doing is you're buying a break of that, and you've got to stop below the low. Very simple to look for, very easy to kind of identify visually. If you're struggling to kind of look at your candlesticks and see the patterns, they're very easy. I mean, you probably spot it one straight away now. On a downtrend, 15-minute chart, good down move. You've got to have a good solid down move. You can't have it wishy-washy and flaky. It's got to be solid, nice, good angle on it. Then you've got a little bit of a flag. Here's your flag here. This one's probably a bit more of a pullback, but it's the same kind of thing. You're stagnating at the bottom and you're looking for a trade of the break. Any more I've got that can just pop up on here before I move to a daily. If a daily is more your thing, this is maybe a bit of more of a cleaner flag. We can see it here. Just these little messing around there. There's a nice clean flag on a short time frame. Bang, looking very nice in the middle of the action. Very simple to trade. If you're on a daily chart, works exactly the same kind of thing. Good drive lower. Where have we got a flag? We can see we've got one here. A little flag, a little pause. another one down here, little cluster here. Maybe that's a little bit too long, but you know what, it's come a long way. Give it some credit. You would be shorting into those all day, every day. You've got the weakness, you get a little bit of consolidation at lows, you get that flag, you can sell it short through that, stop above the high. The important thing is that risk is quantified. You don't have to think about this. Well, where do I put my stop? It's just the other side of the flag. Where do I enter? It's just a break of the flag. It's very, very simple. And the beauty of it is you can start to make it more advanced. You can start to play around with it. You can start to scale into it. You can start to try to trade against the flag break. There's little games you can play, but ultimately the foundation's the same. It's a drive in one direction, it's a pause, supply demand's just gone into full demand mode for the upside, it's a pause, it's waited, it's waiting, it's waiting, it goes again, you take it. If you're wrong, you come out under the flag. If you're right, you run it for as long as you dare. And again, we're not going to go into target. Same with vice versa. If it's hammering to the downside, little pause, little attempts to push back up that have failed, still holding at lows, bang, you're going short, looking for a press through lows, a stop above the flag. Very, very simple to execute, very, very simple to look for, works on all time frames, all markets, and is a good, solid strategy. If you're not up to speed with your flags, I recommend doing so regardless if you're a new trader or an experienced trader. But especially if you're a new trader, it's a great place to start. And I know some seriously successful traders out there who are using flags and they're managing significant amounts of money. So it's not just for retail guys, it is as well for bigger guys. Now, are Goldman Sachs using flags? I don't know, and I doubt it. But the point is, if we're using technical analysis and price action and we're trying to get an edge based on intermediate price moves or short-term price moves, these are one of the better things to watch. Anyways, hope that helps. If it has, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate your comments as well in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed, consider doing so for more videos from me and others on this channel. Take care. Bye bye.